In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create 8 points infographic slide in PowerPoint, and this is how the slide looks. When I click, you can see here it looks kind of a flower design with 8 different options here. When I click the first title, and the option comes the detailed text along with one separator, line separator, and then it comes the second option, the third option. You can see here 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. And if you want, you can add some icons or the option numbers here as well. And if you have not subscribed to my channel PowerPoint University, please subscribe it now and make sure to enable the bell notification icon. You can join my Telegram group with the help of this link, and if you like to contribute to my channel, you can do it through PayPal or Patreon. The link is provided in the video description section. I have used Office 2019 to do this. So let's start the tutorial. Add a new slide, go to view, enable the guides, go to insert shapes. From the basic shapes, I'm going to choose the oval shape. Draw the oval shape by holding the shift key, maybe this much size. Shape outline, make it no outline, then align center, align middle. If you want, for the time being, you can give some different color combination to it. Once this is done, I'm going to add one rounded rectangle. For that, insert shapes. From the rectangles, I'm going to choose the rounded corner rectangle. Draw the rounded corner rectangle, maybe this much size, and then make it fully curved by dragging this orange point inside. Align center, align middle, and shape outline, no outline. Now I'm going to duplicate this by pressing Ctrl D. Then again align center, align middle. Then using the Alt and the right arrow key from your keyboard, press 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. You can see here Ctrl D again. 1, 2, 3. Ctrl D, duplicate. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Now I'm going to select all these rounded rectangles and send this to back. You can see here. So I get a shape something like this. Now I'm going to select all the shapes. Alright. Go to the shape format, merge shape and save fragment. Now whatever inside the oval shape, I'm just going to select and delete one by one. Can you see here? Like this. One by one I need to select and delete it. And inside one also I can simply select and delete it. Let me just put it in the center. Yeah, and then delete this part. Now it all are separated. Can you see here? Alright, so now you can see these all are independent now, individual. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert shapes, select one rectangle, draw a rectangle in the center, a small line like this. Okay, shape outline, make it no outline, and then make sure to rotate, align center, align middle, and then using the Alt and the right arrow key, I'm just going to rotate it. If it is not rotating properly, you can just align it properly. You can see here like this. Okay, then press Ctrl D, again align center, align middle, again Alt. You can see here 3 times I'm just pressing the Alt and the right arrow key, Ctrl D, and alright. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add one more oval shape here. Actually I could have done the same thing in the beginning itself, but no problems. Align center, align middle, shape outline, no outline. Let me just reduce the size by holding the Ctrl Shift key. Okay, yeah. Now I'm going to select all these lines. Okay, and the oval shape, merge shape, again fragment this. Alright, I don't want all those things. I'm just deleting this part. You can see here. So again these lines also are now individual. Okay, now let me just right mouse click, go to format background and select each of these and give some different color combination. You can see here I'm just giving some different color combination to it. One by one you need to start give the color combination. Let me just give different colors. You can see here any color of your choice you can give. Alright, so something like this it will look. And then for this one I can select the lines by holding the shift key one by one, and I'm going to give maybe a gray color to this. And if you like to add one oval shape inside, you can add it. Go to insert shapes, select the oval shape, draw the oval shape by holding the shift key. Shape outline, make it no outline. Shape fill, you can give some light gray color. Align center, align middle. Okay, it looks like this. And if you want to increase the size, select all by pressing Ctrl A, press Ctrl G to group it, hold the shift key and just Ctrl Shift key actually and increase the size, so it looks something like this. All right, and then you can ungroup this, and then you can go to insert text box. You can add the title. Okay, again that comes in the center, and below make it, first of all make this as bold, and then this one you can add detailed text here. Add detailed text here, center align, give the gray color and put it like this. Now select both of these, press Ctrl D to duplicate and add the title for each option here. You can see here it looks something like this. One by one you need to do it. You can see something like this, and later on what you need to do is you have to select the title and give the same color as the color of this one. So just select, using the eyedropper you can give the same color here. You can see here with the help of eyedropper I'm giving the same color. Okay, so just do the same color for the rest of the options.